stuff in your head, huh? Oh, such a sweet baby. Trying to make him burp so we could get some video of him feeding. Look how little he is. Alright. We're gonna... Hopefully he'll burp here, and then we'll feed him, and I'll get that on tape. So, alright.
Ready for the feeding? Are you hungry? You hungry? Huh? No? You don't want food, apparently.
He's got the one mitten on.
How about this? There we go. That's better. Do you like the purple lid on this? Mommy chose right, huh? Your favorite color is lavender.
Okay. It's clean.
You're gonna fall asleep before you even stay? Come on. Oh, look at the camera. No? You're done? Hi, you looking at me? You looking at me? You get a top view of him? Yeah, look at the camera. What is that? What is that black blur? It's got a Silver Surfer on it, though. What is that? Huh? Yeah. Mesmerized, huh? You looking at Silver Surfer? Huh?
He's as long as the Syracuse letters on your shirt. Just to give you an idea of how small he is.
Come on. Keep going. Easily distracted. Come on. Come on, just a little bit more. How much was in there?
No, that's just an ounce that's left.
Oh, so this is the other half of it now?
Yeah.
You done? Are you done? You done? You don't want it? There you go. There you go. You're probably done, huh? Yeah, you're getting sleepy. You done? We gotta...
This one mitten.
Here, try it there. That's better. Are you full? Are you waving? Hi. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, Sleepy? Boy, you're mesmerized by that, huh?
How small he is compared to your hand. It's funny, he looks so big on camera until you get some perspective of...
Oh. Got me my finger.
Oh.
Oh, you got it.
He's Got it. Got it.
Oh, he's tugging. Is that yours now? Is that yours? Huh? Oh. You could have it. She needs a burp. Oh, tug of war. No, finger back. No, no.
Do you ready to burp, baby? God, he's so tiny. Little nugget.
Oh, snack. Can you turn this way, please?
You know. He likes to turn it around.
You aren't budging. Huh. Hmm? Me sleeping. Well then. I think he's done. We'll try to get him to burp, but